Welcome to our channel. Today, we have a treat for you. 5 delicious and nutritious low-calorie recipes to aid your weight loss journey. Let's get started. Recipe 1. Zucchini noodles with pesto. To replace carb-heavy pasta, spiralize fresh zucchini into noodles. Top it off with a homemade pesto sauce made from basil, pine nuts, garlic, and olive oil. This low-calorie dish is a guilt-free alternative packed with flavor. Recipe 2. Grilled lemon herb chicken. Marinate chicken breasts in a mixture of lemon juice, minced garlic, and fresh herbs like thyme and rosemary. Grill it until it's tender and juicy. Pair it with a side of steamed vegetables for a satisfying and low-calorie meal. Recipe 3. Quinoa salad with fresh vegetables. Prepare a refreshing quinoa salad loaded with colorful vegetables such as bell peppers, cucumbers, and cherry tomatoes. Toss them with a tangy dressing made from lemon juice, olive oil, and a dash of salt and pepper. Recipe 4. Baked salmon with dill sauce. Season a salmon fillet with garlic powder, dill, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Bake it in the oven until it flakes easily. Serve it with a homemade dill sauce made from Greek yogurt, fresh dill, and a hint of lemon zest for a protein-packed meal with minimal calories. Recipe 5. Veggie stir-fry. Heat a splash of olive oil in a skillet and add a colorful medley of vegetables such as broccoli, bell peppers, carrots, and snap peas. Stir-fry until they're crisp tender. Add a savory sauce made from low-sodium soy sauce, ginger, and garlic for a nutritious and flavorful way to cut calories. These 5 recipes are not only healthy and low in calories, but also bursting with flavor. Give them a try and watch your waistline shrink while still enjoying delicious meals. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these recipes, subscribe to our channel for more nutritious and mouth-watering ideas. Happy